AMD earnings also crossing this, of course, in light of the massive chip scandal / security flaw that's been affecting all of the chip makers. You know, profit,
Intel,
disappointing forecast on profitability, but stronger forecast when it comes to revenue. What's your takeaway?
Yeah, I think that wasn't actually the big reason. So initially, the stock sold off a lot. If you look at the AMD trading right after hours, it was actually a pretty dramatic sell-off, well over 8% in the first moments, because you saw those words you never want to see in a CFO commentary, that they were going to have to restate earnings. In other words, the numbers we gave you before were wrong. They were so wrong that we're going to have to change what we told you in the past. And so if you were to see the chart of what happened in the trading right after the announcement came out, the stock fell well over 8% as people tried to figure out what was going on with those AMD results. As you read into it, you find that there's an accounting principle called 606, and it was a way that companies, when they sell a product but have other things they have to give in the future, with the revenue recognition of the product, if they have to give services in the future, or they have a warranty that goes forward in the future, or there's software that has to be delivered over a certain period of time, there's a change in that rule, and as a result, some revenues that were recognized in the past maybe shouldn't have been. So that revenue recognition change was disconcerting because it made it look like, on the first glance, that maybe AMD didn't know what they were doing or trying to hide things. What the company says is, number one, these were immaterial, but number two, that if they actually have to pull revenues from, say, 2015, 2016 towards future years, it actually could have the perverse effect of giving a slight rise to future earnings and taking away, or future profits, and taking away past profits. And as a result of past revenue, it may actually boost revenues going forward, but the kind of thing the market doesn't like to see.